Hi, this is Priyankesh. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to talk about the solution of sample set which is being provided by IGIDR. So let's get started. This video is in continuation with the part 3, and in this I'm going to cover the next 10 questions. So let's begin with the question number 30. Even and 25 will be odd. So here our probability will be 25C1 cross 25C1 divided by 50C2. Now let's solve it. So this will come out to be 25, this will come out to be 25, this will come out to be 15 to 49 divided by 2, that will go into numerator. So 25 to the 50, so finally it is coming out to be 25 by 49. So option 4 is the right option. Let's move to the next question. It is saying that find the sum of the roots of this equation. Equation is ax square plus bx plus, no, it is given the sum of root is equal to the sum of their square. Okay, so here some of the, let's say roots are alpha and beta. Okay, these are roots. So it is saying alpha plus beta equals to alpha square plus beta square. Okay, we have to use this in order to get similar kind of condition. Okay, so we know that let's say this is equation 1. We know that alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equals to c by a. So this thing can be further arranged it like that. This will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta value is minus b by a, alpha plus beta whole square, that is b square by a square minus 2 alpha beta is c by a. So here this will come out to be minus b by a, and here it will come out to be b square minus 2ac upon a square. A and a gets eliminated, and finally this will come out to be ab equals to b square minus 2ac. So this will be 2ac equals to b square plus ab. Okay, so here we have option, you can see that 2ac, we need 2ac, so 2ac equals to ab plus b square. Option 5 is the right option. Okay, let's move to the next question. This question is a very good question. It is saying that two variable x and y are connected by the relation this. Okay, if the signs of a and b are different, then find the correlation coefficient between x and y. So in order to solve this question, we have to first find the slope of this curve. Okay, so this will come out to be y equals to minus a by b x plus c by b. Okay, so here the slope is minus a by b. So there are two conditions. If slope is positive, okay, slope is positive, then correlation coefficient will be 1. And second is if slope is negative, this is positive, and if it is negative, then correlation coefficient will be equals to minus 1. But let's have a look. It is saying that a and b are having a different symbol. So if they are having a different symbol, so slope will come out to be, let's say this is a is positive and b is negative, so this is comes out to be positive, and when slope is positive the correlation coefficient is 1. So option is 2. Okay, let's move to the next question. So next question is asking about find out the distance between the foci of hyperbola. Okay, so standard form of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Okay, so here this will come out to be x square upon 16 minus y square upon 16 equals to 1. And the distance between two foci is equals to 2 under root a square plus b square. So at the place of a square we have 16, and at the place of b square we have 16. So this will come out to be 16 plus 16. So this will come out to be 16 into 2. So finally this will come out to be 2 into 4 root 2. So that is 8 root 2. So final option is second. Okay, let's move to the next question. This kind of a question we have discussed in our trial classes. So in order to solve this question, we have to take log on the both sides. So this will come out to be y log x, and here this will come out to be x minus y log e base e. So this will become 1. And when you differentiate this function with respect to x, so this will come out to be y into differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into y dash. And here this will come out to be 1 minus y dash. Now take all the y dash term on one side. So this will come out to be log x plus 1, then y dash, and rest of the term on the right hand side. So this will come out to be 1 minus y upon x. So finally this is coming out to be x minus y upon x in a bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, but we have to find the value of this as well, because here the expression is not coming. So from this expression, what we can get, the value will be y upon x minus y equals to 1 upon log x. Now add 1 both sides. So this will come out to be x upon x minus y, and this will come out to be 1 plus log x upon x. So the value, if I put this value into this, so this will come out to be log x upon 1 plus log x, and this the play, and this will become whole square. So value is coming out to be log x upon 1 plus whole square. That is option 2. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so next question is the function. This is our given function. It says it has a local maxima at this point. Okay, so local maxima, in order to find this, so we have to use, we can use first derivative or second derivative, both can be used, but let's go by first derivative. So this has to be, the first derivative should be equals to 0. So if we differentiate this, so this will come out to be x minus 1 whole square and x minus 4 whole square. Okay, and this will be x minus 1 and x minus 4, and this will be a only, minus, we'll write ax plus b, and we'll differentiate the second function. So if you multiply this, so this will come out to be x square minus, and this will be minus 5x plus 4. Okay, so this will come out to be 2x minus 5. Okay, now equating this equals to 0, and since this is representing local maxima at x equals to 2, so we can put x equals to 2 here. So when you equate this equals to 0, the denominator will become 0, and in numerator you can put 2. So when you put 2 in this expression, so this will come out to be 1 into minus 2a and minus 2a plus b, and here this will come out to be 4 minus 5 equals to 0. So this is coming out minus 2a, and this minus will become plus. So this is 2a plus b equals to 0. So 2a and 2a gets cancelled out. So b is coming out to be 0. Okay. So we have two options, this one and this one. Okay. So let's solve from the given function. This point will also satisfy the function as well. So we will get minus 1 equals to, this will be 2a plus b upon, this will coming out to be 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So let's multiply this. So 2a plus b is coming out to be 2. And when you put b equals to 0, so 2a equals to 2, and a is coming out to be 1. Okay. So a is 1 and b is 0. So option B is the right option. Let's move to the next question. This question we have also discussed in our trial classes. So to solve this question, we have to first simplify, as this function is in this form, x equals to fy, we have to first transform it into y equals to fx form. So let's solve it. So this will come out to be x plus x root y, this equals to 1 minus root y. Okay, let's shift the root y to this side. So root y plus root y equals to 1 minus x. When you take root y as common, so this will come out to be 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, and y will come out to be 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square. Now differentiate it. So here we have to follow the quotient rule. So this will be 1 plus x, as this is 1 plus x whole square, so this will become 1 plus x power 4, and this will be 1 plus x whole square. When you differentiate 1 minus x whole square, so this comes out to be 1 minus x and minus 1. Now x minus 1 whole square, and when you differentiate 1 plus x whole square, so this is coming out to be 2 1 plus x. Okay, now you can take 1x plus 1 and 1x minus 1, so 1 minus x and 1 plus x will come out as common, and in bracket we will get minus 2 minus 2x. Okay, and here we get minus 2x plus 2. Okay, and divide, we will get 1 plus x power 4, so 1 will get eliminated, power will become 3, and here you can see that 2 and 2 gets eliminated, so this will comes out as minus 4 1 minus x upon 1 plus x power 3. So if we shift minus inside the bracket, so this will come out to be 4 x minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole cube. Okay, so let's look at the option. So we have option B is the right option. Let's move to the next question. This is a good question. Here it is saying that if function capital Fx equals to f of gx, where these values are given, and we have to find the value of f dash 5. Okay, so in order to find f dash, we have to first differentiate this function, this given function. So this comes out to be small f dash gx, then g dash x. Okay, so f dash 5 will come out to be f dash g5. Okay, and here into g dash 5. So the value of g dash 5 is 6. Okay, this will comes out to be 6, and here g5 is minus 2, and f dash minus 2 is given as 4, so this is 4 into 6 coming out to be 24. Okay, so first is the right answer. Now let's move to the next question. So here in this we have given integral minus 1 to 4 fx dx equals to 4, and this integral is also given 2 to 4 3 minus fx dx equals to 7, and it is asking to find out this integral minus 1 to 2. So let's look at the first integral. So it is minus 1 to 4 fx dx equals to 4. We can break down this integral as minus 1 to 2, let's say fx dx, and then this can be break down as 2 to 4 fx dx. Okay, and still it is having a value 4. So let's say this is equation 1, and we have to find this one, and this can be find out by this expression. So it is 2 to 4 3 dx minus 2 to 4 fx dx, this is equals to 7. So when you solve this, this will come out to be x, and when you put the limit, so 4 minus 2, and this is 2 to 4 fx dx equals to 7. Okay, so let's solve it. So this will comes out to be 6 minus 7, and this will become 2 to 4 fx dx. Okay, so this is coming out as minus 1. So let's say this is equation 2. Now put the value from equation 2 to equation 1. So finally this will comes out to be integral minus 1 to 2 fx dx, and this is minus 1 equals to 4. So this is minus 1 to 2 fx dx equals to, when you shift minus 1 to the right, so this is coming out to be 5. So option 3 is the right option. Now let's move to the last question. So in order to solve the questions which contains mod, we have to first assess the nature of the function. So here fx is equals to minus 1 upon 1 minus x square. So this can be written as 1 minus x 1 plus x. If I equate equals to 0, so we'll get x equals to minus 1 and 1. Now draw a number line. You will get minus 1 here and 1 here, and assess the nature of the function within the desired range, that is minus 2 to 2. So here you can see that there are 3 sections. One is this, and one is this, and then one is this. Now limit is moving from plus minus infinity to plus infinity. So let's assess the nature. If I take let's say minus 1.5, if I put it here, so this will comes out to be negative. this will come out to be positive, and this will be comes out to be negative. So the limit is further broken down into as minus 2 to 2. Here the function is negative, so this will be minus 1 minus x square dx plus, oh sorry, just a second, limit will go from minus 2 to minus 1. Okay, and then it will go from minus 1 to 1. Here function is positive, so 1 minus x square dx, and then limit will go from 1 to 2, and function is again negative, so 1 minus x square dx. Now let's solve it. So putting minus aside, this will comes out to be x minus x cubed by 3, and limit will go from minus 2 to minus 1. And here this will comes out to be x minus x cubed upon 3, and limit will go from minus 1 to 1. Here also putting minus aside, so this will comes out to be x minus x cubed upon 3, and limit will go from 1 to 2. Now put the limit, so this will, when you put minus 1, so this comes out to be minus 1, and when you put minus 1, so this comes out to be minus 1 cube, so this will become minus minus plus, so plus 1 by 3. When you put minus 2, so already 1 minus is there, so this will become plus, and minus of minus, so this will become plus. When you put minus 2, so this will become ultimately minus, so this will comes out to be 8 by 3. Okay, and here when you put limit, so 1 minus 1 by 3 and minus 1, so this will become plus 1, this plus, and then ultimately minus, so this will be minus 1 by 3, and then here minus, and when you put 2, so this will be 2 minus 8 by 3, and then plus, sorry, minus, when you put 1, so this will be minus 1, and minus minus plus 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to solve this expression. Okay, so when we solve it further, this will comes out to be plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3, and here it is plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 and plus 1 minus 1 by 3. So there are 4 segments of this, so you can see that. So this is 4 minus 4 by 3, and minus 2 will become minus 4, and 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 is plus 16 by 3. 4 and 4 gets cancelled out, so this is 16 minus 4, that is 12 by 3. So ultimately this comes out to be 4, and if we go by choice, so first is the our answer. That's all from my side. If you're preparing for IGIDR 2021 exam, you can join this channel and like this video and share it with your friend. Also subscribe the channel for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.